The music industry has served as a welcome distraction for so many people who are stuck at home with limited things to do. We have had several of our favorite artists like Chronixx, Shenseea, Masika, Banton, Koffee, and so much more who have released singles during this troubled period, and this song has served as antidote and healing for many Jamaicans who are locked away. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome. Yeah guys, today a glimpse of Jamaica will bring to you the top 12 most watched reggae and dancehall YouTube music videos during the quarantine, which started in March of this year. Feel free to comment below and mention anyone you think I have missed out. I know there are some very good ones that I might have overlooked, so you can just list them below. I will be putting the links to each of these music videos below so you can watch the full videos. So relax, enjoy, and stay safe.
Girl, follow me like hands for the fat. Me too hot. Girl, follow me like hands for the fat. Too hot. That one you hotter than Shabba motherfucker. No mix Nike with Adidas, half white full of features. When me say the color brown like a bleachers in a beach.
Words may not say exactly how I'm feeling.
Are you kidding me?
I spy that you see something you might like.
Roll out the pool as a breeze. Wallet look like a science.
Me know what she love. Back shot, what me say? Know what she love. Fat cash, what me say? Know what she love. When you see me.
We are gonna make it. Win the prize and take it. We are gonna make it.
I inform them, so them talk plenty. Lift up the belly of the beast, so carry ass.
They are in the Jenna. Reach back to New York in the devil weather. Y'all them feel up, it's the Jenna there.
Yo, it's in a Chris, mad thing as you.
Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road? Me have a man, why have a woman when don't know about me. Boy, me know a she, but she don't know me. The body make me happy, do me not own it.
You forget, I fuck you better. Let me remind you. Sidung.